Take a card paper, draw two circles of the diameters 15 cm and 11 cm respectively. Use a protractor to draw 45-degree angles. Make 8 equal parts of a circle by repeating the angle. Use a cutter blade to cut the dotted line. Do not cut up to the edge. Keep 2 cm portion intact from the edge. Write fractions from 1/8, 2/8, 3/8, 4/8, 5/8, 6/8, 7/8, 8/8 in the respective sections. Now you can rotate your dial and check the respective fraction. You can use a board pin to fix the circles. This dial will show you fractions that represent a covered portion. Similarly, you can create a dial with any fractions.